Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sonia from My Nutrition Foods, and today I am going to share how to make a gluten-free, dairy-free snack. It is roasted chickpeas. Now, I didn't really used to know anything about beans, but I have now learned that they are such a nutritious snack, much better than grabbing the chips or cookies or chocolate. So today I'm going to show you how to roast them. They can be used as a snack in between meals. If you're hungry, you can take them out with you, eat them on the go, use as in salads or even as a soup topper. So they have lots of uses. So I do use a tin of beans, chickpeas. They're also known as garbanzo beans. You can use homemade beans, home cooked beans as well, but I do tend to use the tin just to make it really simple, quick and easy. Also try and go for the no salt added version if you can, or low sodium. The less salt the better. So just empty the chickpeas out and drain them, and then rinse thoroughly with water. Just make sure the water runs clear. So just give them a good rinse. So I've got some here that I've already drained and rinsed. Now they are really good for you in that they have lots of protein and fibre and minerals in them. So very good for tissue growth and repair. Also really good for your immune function, supports a healthy immune system. Very good for gut health. They help to lower your cholesterol and very good for your heart. So all round, really good. Now, if you follow the Nutritarian diet, you will know that beans are a recommended staple for eating daily. And if you've heard of greens, beans, onions, mushrooms, berries, and seeds, these are good foods to have every day, also known as G-bombs. So let's take our chickpeas. The first thing we need to do is make sure they're really, really dry before they go into the oven. The drier they are, the crispier they will be when they come out of the oven. So it's really important to make sure they're really super dry before they go in. So just spread them out well. And I'm just going to put some more paper towel on the top. Just pat them dry. We just need to absorb as much moisture as possible. Okay, I'm now going to leave them to air dry for 30 minutes just to finish off that drying process. So I will see you back in 30. Hi, so these should have had enough air drying time now. I'm just going to be doubly sure, just give them one last pat with the kitchen towel. Just make sure they're really nice and dry. Okay, should be good. Now we are going to put them onto a baking tray, which is lined with parchment paper. As you can see, the shells have come off here, which is all good. Just means the drying process is working, so that's great. I'm just going to put them onto the tray. I'm just going to spread them out nice and evenly here, just so they have some space around them, which helps them to crunch up more. And now I'm going to pop them into the oven for about 35 minutes. I will check at that time and just check every 5 minutes after then until they look nice and golden brown. And just don't forget to every 10 minutes just take them out, give them a shake up and put them back. Okay, so let's pop them in the oven. So these are all ready now. I've just got them out the oven. As you can see, they're a really nice golden brown colour. Okay, so we do need to let these cool down completely before we store them. And now I'm going to add some herbs to them, some nice seasoning, just to make them super tasty. Now I've chosen a savory herb seasoning to put on them. Some people like them really spicy, stronger. So I have got here 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of oregano, so 1 teaspoon of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of basil. So I'm just going to mix that all up. There we go. Okay, so you know these are done when they come out of the oven, when they look nice and golden brown. And also, you know, if you just drop it, you can just hear that crunch, so you will know they are nice and crunchy. Okay, so I'm just going to sprinkle some of this on them. You should do this before they cool down, because then it just sticks to them nice and evenly. If you do this when they're cold, they just don't tend to stick very well. And then we can put them in an airtight container. Just make sure they have cooled down there before you put the lid on. And you do not need to put them in the fridge, because they will tend to go soggy if you do that. Leave them out. They keep for about 3 to 4 days, but mine never last that long anyway. Okay, let's do the taste test. Wow, I love that. Super crunchy, got that nice savory flavour to it. I love it. Tastes really good. I hope you'll give this a try. Please let me know in the comments below. Click the like and subscribe button for more healthy tips and recipes coming soon. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy.